Y'all small tuna fish and one big
This is a Shark Tale.
Here we go again.
Phenomenal hit.
small tuna fish and one big fish.
Drop it on him like this.
You might not ever get rich. Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star or maybe a common thief working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Yeah, at the car wash. Sing it with him now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Some of the work is kind of hard. This ain't no place to be if you're planning on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. Many of us don't mind sometimes if you're acting like a fool. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. At the car wash. Out there. Now come on and work it with me now. At the car wash, yeah. And work well, those cars never stop coming. Work and work. Those grinding machines coming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work you wanna and wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car wash today. Fill up and you're gonna have to pay. Hey, get your car wash today. Give it up right away.
Car wash. Sharks in the water make their jaws lock. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your bets. Y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch.
Sharks now.
Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that. Turn this up and bang it all up in the surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. No matter how big the shark is, the right keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work and work.
Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Come on, work, baby, work it tonight. At the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now keep it coming. So, you may not ever get rich, but hey, get your car wash today. Hey, get your car wash today. Hey, get your car wash today.
Phenomenal hit. Whoa!
Give me a break, Irie. So are you, lazy bum. I knew that I'd find you snoozing down here.
No, this huge black thing swallowed me up. I couldn't breathe, I couldn't... Ow!
Are you still dreaming?
It wasn't a dream. Or was it? I don't know. What was that place? So bizarre.